In this video, we'll provide a brief overview of the CalexConfig interface. First, select the correct sensor. In this example, a PyroMiniUSB is connected, so select this option and click the green tick to confirm. Once connected, the main screen is displayed. Here you can see the live temperature reading along with 5 toolbar buttons which provide the following functions: locking and unlocking the display, starting and stopping data logging, displaying the temperature graph, accessing sensor settings, and viewing temperature values in a listed format. The List View button displays multiple temperature values, including filtered, unfiltered, average, maximum, and the sensor body temperature. Selecting the Graph button displays the temperature chart. The X-axis represents time in hours, minutes, and seconds, while the Y-axis represents temperature in degrees Celsius. You can zoom in and out of the graph as required. Pressing the Reset button restarts the chart view. Next, clicking the Start button begins data logging. Clicking it again stops logging. To configure the sensor or change parameters, the screen must be unlocked. To do this, click the Unlock button. The default password is 1234. This can be changed if required. Once unlocked, open the sensor's setting menu. Clicking the Emissivity and Compensation button allows configuration of parameters such as emissivity and reflected energy compensation. Changing the default emissivity value may be required if the measured object is shiny. Reflected energy compensation is useful when the sensor and the target are not in the same environment. For example, when the target is in a furnace and the sensor is outside. This feature can be enabled by selecting the option and entering the furnace temperature. To save your changes, you must click the green tick button. Next, under Output Processing, the Hold Mode feature can be used in applications where there are gaps between products, such as that on a moving conveyor. Peak Mode captures the highest temperature of interest, whereas Valley Mode captures the lowest temperature of interest. The averaging period and hold period can also be configured in this section. Finally, the data logging settings allow you to set sample period and the number of samples taken. Setting the number of samples to 0 enables continuous logging. You can also choose the file storage location and schedule data logging to start at a later time.